Drop it.
Hello, welcome guys. So I'm here to share to you my latest tutorial, C++. My name is Dr. Haji Tehuko. In this course, I'm going to discuss the following topics. So as you can see on the screen, these are the topics that I'll be covering. Now, by the way, all the codes that I'll be creating will be posted into the site. So rest assured that you'll be able to get the codes for each of the topics here. Topics include basic of C++, variables and data types, operators, if and switch statement, loops, array, string, functions, structures, class and objects, exception handling, and file management. Then if you expand this section here, there are a series of programs that I'll be creating for you. Now, to demonstrate it, I'll be using this online compiler. So if you would see, this is the URL. You could just Google it, but don't worry, I'll also post this in the description link, the link for the site, okay? So all the programs that I'll be creating will be executed using this online compiler. And also, like I mentioned before, all the codes that will be used into this tutorial are posted into this GitHub, okay? So you should be able to explore. Let's say, for example, if you press here number 1, hello world, these are the codes that we will be working on, okay? Now, for the purpose of demonstration, I'll be shifting with these two sites here so that, let's say, since we're going to cover a number of topics, I'll be working at least 2 to 3 problems per module or per video that I'll be creating for you, okay? So, um, on the next tutorial, I'll start to discuss already our first example, okay? So that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Thank you.